In this video, we are comparing two of the most powerful devices on the market, Vivo V40 Pro and OnePlus 12R. Which one will come out on top according to features and prices? Let's find out. Body dimensions. Length. The Vivo V40 Pro is 164.4 millimeters, while the length of OnePlus 12R is 163.3 millimeters. Width. The width of Vivo V40 Pro is 75.1 millimeters, while the width of OnePlus 12R is 75.3 millimeters. Thickness. The thickness of Vivo V40 Pro is 7.6 millimeters, while the thickness of OnePlus 12R is 8.8 millimeters. Body weight. The body weight of Vivo V40 Pro is 192 g, while the body weight of OnePlus 12R is 207 g. Body build. The body build of Vivo V40 Pro is glass front and glass back, while the body build of OnePlus 12R is glass front, Gorilla Glass Victus 2, aluminum frame, glass back. Display type. AMOLED, 1B colors, HDR10 plus 120 Hz of display type of both mobiles is same. Display size. The display size of Vivo V40 Pro is 6.78 inches, while the display size of OnePlus 12R is 6.78 inches. Display resolution. Display resolution of Vivo V40 Pro is 1260 x 2800 pixels, while display resolution of OnePlus 12R is 1264 x 2780 pixels. Display protection. Display protection of Vivo V40 Pro is Shot Sensation Alpha, while display protection of OnePlus 12R is Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2. Platform operating system. Android 14 operating system of mobiles is same. Chipset. Chipset of Vivo V40 Pro is MediaTek Dimensity 9200 Plus, 4 nanometers, while chipset of OnePlus 12R is Qualcomm SM8550AB Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, 4 nanometers. CPU. CPU of Vivo V40 Pro is octa-core up to 3.35 GHz, while CPU of OnePlus 12R is octa-core up to 3.2 GHz. GPU. GPU of Vivo V40 Pro is Immortalis G715MC11, while GPU of OnePlus 12R is Adreno 740. Internal memory. Internal memory of Vivo V40 Pro is 256 GB 8 GB RAM, 256 GB 12 GB RAM, 512 GB 12 GB RAM, while internal memory of OnePlus 12R is 128 GB 8 GB RAM, 256 GB 8 GB RAM, 256 GB 12 GB RAM, 256 GB 16 GB RAM. Main camera. Triple main camera of Vivo V40 Pro is 50MP, focal ratio 1.9, 24mm, wide, 50MP, focal ratio 1.9, 50mm, telephoto, 50MP, focal ratio 2.0, 15mm, 119 degrees, ultra-wide, while triple main camera of OnePlus 12R is 50MP, focal ratio 1.8, 24mm, wide, 8MP, focal ratio 2.2, 16mm, 112 degrees, ultra-wide. 2MP, focal ratio 2.4. Video. Video of Vivo V40 Pro is 4K at 30 fps, 1080p at 30 fps, while video of OnePlus 12R is 4K at 30/60 fps, 1080p at 30/60/120/240 fps. Selfie camera. Selfie camera of Vivo V40 Pro is single 50MP, focal ratio 2.0, 21mm, wide, while selfie camera of OnePlus 12R is single 16MP, focal ratio 2.4, 26mm, wide. Video. Video of Vivo V40 Pro is 4K at 30 fps, 1080p at 30 fps, while video of OnePlus 12R is 1080p at 30 fps. Battery type: Li-ion 5500 mAh. Battery type of both mobiles is same. Battery charging: Battery charging of Vivo V40 Pro is 80W wired, PD, while battery charging of OnePlus 12R is 100W wired, 100% in 26 minutes. Connectivity: Fingerprint connectivity of both mobiles is same. NFC: NFC is available in both phone. Bluetooth: Bluetooth 5.3, A2DP, LE available in both phone. Radio: Radio is not available in both phone. USB: USB Type-C 2.0 are available in both phone. Sound: Stereo speakers are available in both phone. Color: Vivo V40 Pro is available in 3 colors: Ganges Blue, Titanium Gray, Moonlight White, while OnePlus 12R is available in 4 colors: Iron Gray, Cool Blue, Electric Violet, Sunset Dune. Network technology: 5G network technology of both mobile phones is same. Launch: Vivo V40 Pro 2024 will be released on August 23rd, while the OnePlus 12R 2024 was released on February 6th. Models: Model of Vivo V40 Pro is V2347, while OnePlus 12R's model is CPH2609, CPH2585. Infrared port: Infrared port is not available in Vivo V40 Pro, while infrared port is available in OnePlus 12R. Pricing: The estimated price of Vivo V40 Pro is $592, while OnePlus 12R is priced at $449.99 for 128GB 8GB RAM and $549.99 for 256GB 16GB RAM.